Hi guys, I'm Annabelle Knight and you're watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel, the place where we talk about sex and sex toys so that when you shop at the Lovehoney website, you know what the heck you're doing. In this episode, we're going to be talking about classic vibrators and what they're good for. But before we do, I've just got to remind you that if you never want to miss another one of our videos, you need to click that subscribe button. So this is a classic vibrator. This is the Lovehoney silencer. It's nice and quiet. It has a thick waved shaft and a twist base. So this is a very typical classic vibrator design. Now a classic vibrator is a little bit no frills. It's a solid single shape. So there's no bells and whistles per se. There's no external stimulator. It's just the one shaft. Now this has a little bit of a added feature in the waviness, so that's going to feel absolutely fantastic. It also has a twist base and that gives you variable speeds. So the further you twist it round, the stronger those vibrations are. Now classic vibrators are absolutely amazing for two things: internal and external stimulation. So you can insert this internally and make the most of this lovely waved shaft, or you can use it externally by moving it up and down against your vulva or any erogenous zone you like. So it's good for nipples, neck, anywhere that feels really good for you. Classic vibrators are always made with skin safe and body safe materials, so they're safe to use internally and externally. I would, however, recommend always using a good quality water-based lube with them, and when you've finished using them, give them a spritz with some sex toy cleaner and wipe them with a damp cloth so that they're nice and clean and hygienic for the next time you want to use them. Now pretty much anyone can use a classic vibrator in any way they please, but they're kind of best suited for those of us with vulvas and vaginas as they are intended for insertion. They're not, however, intended for you to insert them anywhere other than inside a vagina. They are not for bum fun. If you want to put something up your bum, make sure it has a flared base so that it can't travel any further than you want it to. Classic vibrators are also great for absolutely anyone, regardless of their experience level, because they are so simple to use. So whether you're a sex toy aficionado or you're brand new to sex toys, a classic vibrator is something that anyone can enjoy. And to top it off, these aren't very expensive, so they're a brilliant entry point toy that's not going to cost you the earth. Just make sure you look after it to prolong its life, and that means giving it a good clean and storing it separately from your other sex toys. Classic vibrators come in a whole host of different styles, different colours, and different modes of functionality. So my best advice would be to hop on the Lovehoney website, have a look, do a little comparison and find the one that ticks your boxes. So in a nutshell, fantastic deep rumbly stimulation, perfect for internal use, also great for external use. Not so good for up the bum. Use a good quality water-based lube with it. If you are sharing this toy with a partner, I would recommend popping a condom on there just so when you take it off, it's nice and clean underneath. So there you have it, the reasons why classic vibrators are absolutely brilliant. If you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up. For notifications, hit that bell. If you have anything you'd like to add or any questions, please pop your comments in the box below. And if you never want to miss another one of our videos, hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. I've been Annabelle Knight and you've been watching the Lovehoney YouTube channel. Bye!